Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can record your Windows screen for free. First, open up your browser and navigate to Google search. Then type Ocam in the search box. Click on the first link. Scroll down the page and click on the download button. Now click on the download now button. Now open the downloaded exe file. Click run. Click OK. Check the I accept my agreement box. Close all the windows of the browser. Now open the Ocam application. Now click on the resize button and select full screen. Now click on record, and if it says an update is required, then update it. Close the browser. Now open the Ocam app again. Click again on the resize button and select full screen. Now click record. So here is the recording which is recorded from the Ocam. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you with another video next time.